Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna do some home decor haul. I'm gonna show everything I got from Banjara market. Everything cheap and good, yeah. And when I went there, it was like newly reshifted and it had really less stock. But still I made use of the prices there. I did all the bargaining in the world and used the skills as much as possible, though I am very poor in bargaining, but yeah, my friends helped me. So first thing right behind me is which has all the flowers overflowing from it. Also a small mini one which is in my home. I kind of separated them.
I'm very cruel.
And I did bargain. I got this for around 850 around for both, you know. And every time I carried it, I was like, God, I hope this doesn't break in transit. Next was that globe you see right there, and I got it at like 500-ish rupees. Not bad because they started with 1200 and I won't give 1200.
No, not Banjara.
You know this. You know this. I found some glass store. They could come and do the fixing for me. But yes, the frame was white and ivory and I sprayed painted it. You're wondering how I got it. I just kept it in the car like straight from first seat to the back seat, and they said that it's safe to take it. And you know, I was scared whole time I was driving, but yeah, it was safe. It got in one piece in Ludhiana from Delhi. No, from Gurgaon. This is around 5.5 feet height and around 2.3 feet width, and it's pretty good quality. 1000 rupees. 1000 rupees. Okay, the next one is really exciting. I got this kind of storage thing. You can use it to decor or you can use it to keep stuff like I did. I used it for perfume holder. When I saw it, I thought, I can keep some of my delicate stuff in it because it looks delicate but it's heavy and sturdy. Since it's metallic already, it would really highlight any kind of stuff that's crystal looking and good looking, and perfumes were the best choice. So yeah, you can see it's like that. So yes, next is my another famous item. You have seen it. Yeah, I've seen it, right? So I got these two chairs as well from a nearby market. It's not exactly the Banjara market, but yes, a very famous market. And I got them for around 1600 each, if not 1500. Yeah, pretty good price because they started from 2100. No, I'm not gonna keep 2100, thank you. That center table, oops, that center table. This center table I got. I also got it at Banjara market, and this is a really pretty one. Corner table. I kept it at the corner before, but it was getting too cluttery, so I kept it here. And the golden detailing it has is again pretty. So yes, I think the bigger things are covered now. Next are some decor stuff. The decor stuff was really pretty and yeah, and very sturdy and heavy, and were like unique finds you find at exhibitions, so they were a little costly, but I am really happy with them. Let me show you. So first is this palm tree with candle holder. Opening, you can hold your candles in it and you can burn them and feel good. And then this tray, a leaf tray, which also has a small sibling, and this leaf tray as well, which I am using for Lord Ganesha. And also this tray thing, or you can use it to decorate stuff or keep your jewelry as well. I kept it for Himalayan rock salt, and it has a small sibling as well in my bedroom. I have separated all the siblings I bought. Hope you liked the haul, and I will see you guys soon, and I hope I can go to Banjara again with a new full-fledged collection, not like when it was like newly reshifted, but still I got some good deals. Yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye.